Sunday. We're off on another little adventure. Got that health food again. Melons and bananas. We're off to Pairoa for a mountain bike ride. What up, Pairoa? Look at them wheels. We're off on the Hauraki Rail Trail. I only just found out the name, courtesy of Shamiz. Thanks for that, bro. Pairoa to Waihi is what I'm told. Off we go on our specialised demo bikes. Premium Emirates dates. So tasty. Made it to Waihi at the Tea Tree Cafe. Got all the bikes stacked up. Time for a bit of a feed. Banana smoothie, no dairy. Heading back and almost made it to the tunnel, but got smoked by the rain, unfortunately. About 30 seconds short.